Welcome to Mechanic. Today we have a 2021 Mazda CX-9, and on this vehicle I'm going to show you where you find your paint code. Say you need to match your paint because you've had an accident and you want to get the proper paint for the vehicle. So to start with, we'll need to open up the door. So we open up our driver door. And right here on the VIN number, or the VIN placard that gives you all the information, we have right here where it says color code and 46G. And so you would be able to take that to your paint store and be able to get your color matched for your vehicle. So that's where you find your paint code on this Mazda CX-9. Thanks for watching Mechanic, where you can be the mechanic.